Welcome into another one of my videos. What you're seeing right here is the football field and soccer field of Turner High School in Kansas City, Kansas. They have really nice facilities up here, and thought I'd get a picture of it. Usually I can't fly over it because there's kids out on the field practicing and what have you. But today it's empty, or I should say on this day it was empty. So I decided to go ahead and get above it and get a aerial picture of it. Right now I'm getting kind of lined up for my picture, and then we'll go up, grab some altitude, and take a picture. But this is right across the street from the park. It's a really nice facility. The park itself has got 3 shelters, and currently I'm at shelter number 1. Here comes the picture. There's the picture. And then we'll head back over in the park. We're going to go down by the lake and do some orbits around the skate park, which is right there to the right hand side of the lake. On the way down you see the tennis court there with the playground next to it, so the adults can play tennis and their kids can play in the playground there. Keep an eye on them. Anyway, going down here to the lake. This is where I do quite a bit of fishing at this lake. And here's the skate park that they put in, and just doing an orbit around here. Now, I wasn't very good at doing orbits when I first got the Mavic 3, and it's still not that great. But this is back when I first got the Mavic 3. It was back in, I think, 21. There's a date on it. 11/21, something like that. But there's an orbit of that, and then we're just going to head back up to shelter number 1 where I'm parked at, and that will be the end of the video. But I want to thank you all for watching my video, and I appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up on it, and leave a comment. I enjoy reading the comments. Anyway, have a nice day, and take care of yourselves, and fly as much as you can, and fly safe. That's it. I'll catch you on the next one.